Hello and welcome. Lanier Technical College's Economic Development Division serves as Northeast Georgia's foremost workforce development sector, providing customized industry training to meet the growing demand of an evolving workforce. Located on the Hall County campus of Lanier Technical College is the Nathan Deal Economic Development Center. Housed within this facility is a unique set of training areas known as the Advanced Manufacturing Training Center. This center offers basic to advanced training in electrical, mechanical, fluid power, automation, programmable logic controllers, and robotics skills. In the mechanical training area, students are introduced and tasked with mastering skills in everything from the proper use of basic tools and instruments when maintaining power transfer systems, up to the more advanced skills of laser alignment and vibration analysis. Participants get a practical hands-on usage of these while constructing and operating belt drive, chain drive, gear drive, and gearbox applications. Students are also tasked with mastering the basic principles of fluid power, hydraulics, and pneumatics, from setup and basic preventive maintenance to system repair and calibration. In the electrical training area, students are introduced and tasked with mastering skills from basic circuits and electrical measurements to installation and troubleshooting motors, motor controls, variable frequency drives, as well as analog and digital sensors and control devices. All of the basic tools and instruments usually available to a technician in a facility are mastered during the various courses in the discipline. In the automation and PLC training areas, students are tasked with mastering the basics of maintaining, troubleshooting, repair, and replacement of programmable logic controllers known as PLCs. They have the opportunity to master basic programming, industrial networking, human-machine interface HMI setup, and programming, as well as any custom applications needed by their facility. We currently offer Rockwell, Allen Bradley, Siemens, and Mitsubishi systems training. Each participant will utilize their own personal training station, ensuring the training is completely a hands-on learning experience. Extensive advanced troubleshooting principles are mastered in the automation area, where a complete multi-station mechatronics-style manufacturing assembly process is constructed to teach the principles of virtually all types of sensors, control devices, PLC control, and industrial networking. In the robotics training area, students are tasked with mastering the startup, shutdown, crash recovery, program touch-up, and maintenance of articulated robots from FANUC, Motoman, or Denso. The students, whether from production or maintenance, will master moving an industrial robot in a standard work cell, using the teach pendant, and utilize the knowledge of their own robot applications to ensure these workhorses of industry stay operational and accurate in their job tasks. Identifying errors, faults, and other issues that arise are covered in great detail to allow the participant to recover a robotic application in the quickest time possible, saving revenue. If applicable, participants will master component replacement, mastering, and calibration to facilitate in-house maintenance, as opposed to contracting out those tasks, sometimes at great cost. After introductions, a walkthrough of the plant facility is usually conducted to identify the needed skills to maintain the equipment utilized throughout. A planning session will then be conducted to outline the exact custom needs of the company, and a training prescription is created. All of the training provided in the center is custom prescribed for each company based on their particular needs and goals. Various tools are available to measure these, proctored by the center. Periodically throughout the year, there are scheduled open enrollment training sessions. These facilitate those clients with more specific, targeted needs, such as PLCs, variable frequency drives, fluid power, or something completely unique to their facility. These are accessible for registration on the Lanier Tech website. The center is staffed with seasoned technical experts from our instructional team. Please visit our website to find more information or to contact our Business and Industry Training Director. Thank you for your interest in our Advanced Manufacturing Training Center. We hope to see you soon.